Hey everybody, Paul Rogers, Renovation Real Estate, coming back to you again. It's all about that one house, right? It's all about that one house we're looking to buy for you, looking to help you sell. But today we're still on the topic of a little bit about purchasing a house using a renovation loan, a rehab loan, a home purchase improvement loan. I got all these acronyms, kind of go into this, but what you're going to hear, renovation, you're going to hear rehab, bad connotations, right? Me personally, I love to call it a home purchase improvement loan. I'm going to show you how to purchase a home with minimum down and get all the improvements and necessary upgrades and all the bells and whistles that you want to put and that we can actually afford to put into your home. But here's a question that's come up before: can I just? What's the minimum? What's the minimum I can put into this? $5,000, right? $5,000 is all we need to have for you to do a renovation loan. So let's say it's not a bad piece of property. We walk into it, it's clean. You like the kitchen, you like the bathrooms. Maybe it needs an interior paint job. Maybe that's it. Or maybe it needs a new furnace, right? Something of that nature. Maybe it's only, $5,000, maybe a little bit more. Well, listen, you put that $5,000, use the Streamline 203K, which I've talked about in other video series we've had. If you use the Streamline 203K, we can get that new furnace in there, $5,000, $8,000, what have you. But the minimum that can go into these is $5,000, okay? So it makes it really simple. It doesn't have to be 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, $100,000. Should be an auctioneer, right? Anyway, it can be a minimum of $5,000 that goes into this program. So just kind of keep that in mind when we're out looking at houses for you. You think, well, I got $5,000. I got $5,000 in savings, or I can pull it off a credit card. And, might as well just knock you upside the head. What do you mean? Pull it out of your savings or off your credit card. Keep that money over there. OPM, baby. OPM, other people's money at 5%. Whatever your interest rate is on this loan, you're not going to beat that kind of interest rate. Most certainly not pulling it out, $5,000, whether it's cash you got sitting in a drawer somewhere or off your credit card, at anywhere from 12 to 30% in interest rate there. Not going to pull it off any cheaper. OPM. OPM for that one house. All right, I'm going to sign off with that. Other people's money to help you improve your house at a lesser cost. Thanks again for watching. Hit the subscribe button. We'd love to hear from you. Give us a shout out. Thanks again. Have a good day. Bye.